Residents of multiple states told to go home and stay home as the coronavirus crisis explodes across the nation.
And this is a moment we need to make tough decisions, that we direct a statewide order for people to stay at home.
The surge of the coronavirus around the country is leading to tough decisions from coast to coast.
Hospitals are asking many to do appointments online, skip follow-up visits, and in some cases, even delay treatments.
The clinic helps create holy moments, not only for myself, but for others.
Every day here, we put seatbelts on people, and we do keep people safer.
Nosotros los sacerdotes de la diócesis de Oakland sabemos que es una clínica en beneficio incluso de los hispanos, de las personas que no tienen muchos recursos, incluso de personas que pueden estar indocumentadas. El Papa Francisco nos ha dicho que es un deber moral. Es un deber moral porque me protejo a mí mismo y protejo a los demás.
The mobile mammography van is really an extension of our clinic.
We're so grateful to Sutter Alta Bates for making us one of their stops every month.
I really got scared from breast cancer. Malta Clinic is a big help for a lot of people like me.
So having the mobile van here is a godsend.
I've been really impressed with this clinic. You knights and dames are doing phenomenal work here to care for anyone that needs the help, something that I hope and pray we can mirror and to expand around the world.
I'm honored and humbled to accept the Silver Chalice Award tonight on behalf of Mayo Clinic. It all started back in March of 2020, at the beginning of the pandemic, when I heard from a dear friend, Dr. Michael Matley. From his time at Mayo Clinic, he knew Mayo had extensive patient education materials. Surely it was a perfect match. He did what a great board member should do. He reached out to bring us together. And of course, it did not hurt that he knew I too am a member of the order and duty-bound to help. As you well know, for many Order of Malta patients across the world, and certainly for those who come to your clinic, that visit to your clinic is the only interaction they have with the medical community. Even if they're coming in for acute care, we want them to be leaving with as much information as possible about their overall health. Diabetes, hypertension, nutrition and food labeling, chronic diseases that we can prevent or diagnose and treat early. While this is where we started, now we plan on growing the collection to cover a range of diseases. Because, as we all know, an informed patient is a more confident, more treatable patient, and better outcomes follow naturally. This award truly celebrates our two organizations' shared dedication to values-based care, our shared commitment to putting the needs of the patients first. And Mayo Clinic is proud to partner with the Order of Malta to reach more people who can benefit from our shared experience. Thank you once again for recognizing Mayo Clinic with the Silver Chalice Award, and most importantly, for your continued partnership in patient care. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the 13th Annual Champions Gala, a night for champions benefiting the Order of Malta Clinic of Northern California. I'm Tim McInerney, the president of the clinic's board of directors, and I'm delighted to be with you tonight. I would first like to thank, on behalf of the entire board, John Christian, the past president for the last 8 years. Under John's leadership, the clinic has doubled its operations hours from 2.5 days to 5 days a week. We've increased medical providers to over 45, and John has definitely guided us through the pandemic. Your support for the clinic is essential. We provide top quality medical services to the sick and poor who come from all over the Bay Area to the Miracle on 21st Street. Since we opened the clinic doors over 13 years ago, we have hosted over 41,000 patient visits at the Cathedral of the Christ the Light complex. We couldn't do this without the support of dozens of medical professionals who share their talent, our strategic partners, and our generous benefactors. On behalf of the entire clinic board and the Western Association, thank you, thank you. Since our last Champions Gala, the world has changed. The pandemic impacted our operations in every way. We briefly suspended in-person appointments. But while the world was shutting down, we were open to our patients. Remember, our donors shouldered all the costs. We shifted to telemedicine, providing thousands of patients' visits through laptops and telephones, making sure our chronically ill patients were always cared for. We have partnered with outside medical providers, including Southern Health and the Mayo Clinic, to expand our array of services and educational resources. Overall levels of vaccines for Alameda County are over 80%, but in our at-risk communities, the levels are closer to 60. These are the folks that need us the most. We are bringing COVID vaccine clinics to the people on the Cathedral Plaza, at the parishes, and starting on October 7th, with our regular flu shot program, we will be able to provide vaccines. The clinic has never stopped serving the uninsured and the working poor. This is what the Order of Malta has done for over 900 years. And at the Northern California Clinic, we witness this tradition in practice every day. Thanks to our wonderful volunteers and generous supporters, including the Mayo Clinic and our honorees tonight, Bill and Ann Reagan, we look forward together for a bright future for the clinic. Thank you.